Is this Saturday and Sunday at 12:30 p.m. and 4:30 p.m.
All right, here's Della once again to put the spotlight on you, New Jersey. And tonight you're talking about a special nursing home and a dance ministry in Middlesex County.
It is called Smile Bandages Jewels. It was founded 12 years ago by evangelist Bertie Reed of South Plainfield. She wanted to brighten up the lives of seniors at different nursing homes. Reed's young praise dancers also entertain the audience.
So many times the seniors seem like they are forgotten. They seem like they're lost. They're in the nursing home and seldom do their family even visit them as often as they should. But I say, through the grace of God, I thank Him for how He allowed me to see that one day. And now I'm bringing the youth to minister to the seniors and making a connection between them.
Reed wrote the two books pictured here. They're called Smile Bandages Cover a Multitude of Pain and Loving the Unlovable. Now she's working on a third one called Repairers of the Breach. This Saturday, she is holding a book signing from 4 to 6 p.m. You can see her at Jesus Book and Gift Store in Greenbrook. If you want to share a positive story with us, send me your info, V-clips, and video to spotlightnj@news12.com. I just love those praise dancers. They're so lively. Just put me with you.
There you go. That's what you should be doing.
The kids would say, "Get out, dinosaur."
I don't think so. You'd be bringing some smiles, too.
Thank you.
All right, Della. And you can see Reed's entire interview on Della's weekend half-hour show, Spotlight New Jersey. That'll be this Saturday and Sunday on our station. The time's right there on your screen.
Okay, Dave, I'm sneaking a peek over there and I see a big green blob on that hyper-local map. So when is that going to move out of here?
We're hoping that that nasty blob kind of slides across the area and be out of here by about midnight tonight.